reporting statements too。做呢個嘅時候呢，記得要準備定呢一份 note 筆記。上一集呢，我哋係就話要將 direct speech轉做 indirect speech 嘅時候呢，我哋要做幾樣嘢。Number 1, do not use quotation marks. Number 2, use the reporting verbs. Number 3, add the word that. Example, Peter's uncle said that great power comes great responsibility. Example 2, Miss Ho said that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Number 3, Kuromi said that her English teacher is Miss Lai。 好啦，你見到以上3個例子呢，個動詞嘅 tense 呢，個時式呢都冇變嘅。咁其實你見到佢冇變呢，其實係代表緊就係話 Kuromi 講嗰陣時，去到而家我 report 翻 Kuromi 講嗰句説話 ，Kuromi said that her English teacher is Miss Lai。呢一句呢，仍然呢都仲係行得通嘅嚇，因為佢個老師英文老師暫時都仍然係我嘛。而家我 report 翻 Kuromi 嗰句呢，都仍然係啱嘅。嗱，咁所以你見到咧，冇錯 ，Kuromi 係之前講呢句説話，所以我會用 said that。OK， 佢之前講，但係由於呢件事仍然都生效中㗎，仍然都係發生緊㗎，咁所以我哋係用 simple present tense。嗱，呢度係用 past tense， 但係呢一度咧，呢個就係用 simple present tense 㗎。好啦，咁我哋上一集講過咧，我哋要 do not use quotation marks， 要 use a reporting verb，for example said， 要加個 that。另外 pronoun possessive adjective、possessive pronouns 要轉啦 ，verb 都要轉。但係咧，我哋其實個 tense 咧係冇轉㗎，只不過咧 I am 咧就要轉成 he is， 係啦。但係個 tense 咧仍然都係同一個 tense 嚟嘅，仍然都係現在式。咁我哋今堂學咧就會多少少啦。今次個 tense 會轉㗎啦。咁幾時嘅時候個 tense 要轉呢？ Report what they said last week。咁樣咧，當佢講嘅嘢可能係上個星期，而家已經改變咗㗎啦。咁咧，我哋就會轉個 tense 咯。Examples: Mary and Susan said that is our book. Mary and Susan said that that was their book。你會見到 this 變咗做 that，is 變咗做 was，our 變咗做 their。嗱，呢兩個咧喺上一集講過㗎啦。呢個 was 咧其實係已經反映緊，咦，上個禮拜本書都仲係佢，但係而家已經唔係佢㗎啦，改變咗啦。Number 2, I want to see your parents today, Miss Lai told Michael. Miss Lai told Michael that she wanted to see his parents today, change to that day. OK？ 好啦，阿 Miss Lai 同阿 Michael 講，佢想見佢嘅家長。好啦，好明顯啦，佢上個禮拜想見啫，但係今日已經未必想見啦，咁係嗰日啦。咁你見到用咗過去式㗎啦。Summary. So when we change direct speech into indirect speech, when there is a time change, we got to pay attention to number 4, 5, and 7. That is, still you need to change the pronouns possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. And then you still got to change the verb, but this time you got to change the tense. Okay? And then, this is new. You got to change the time word. For example, today, you got to change it to that day. 我今日好眼瞓啊，佢話佢嗰日好眼瞓啊。好啦，咁啊，而家咧，你哋拎翻呢一份筆記出嚟先嚇。好啦，當你拎咗呢份筆記出嚟咧，你會見到最頂呢度咧，其實就係有一個最重要嘅幾樣嘢嘅。Number 1, reporting words。OK？For example, said， 你要加翻個 said that 嗰啲啦。Number 2, you change the pronoun。其實我哋有個 slogan 嘅，我哋有口號嘅。你我轉他，你的我的轉他的。OK？係啦，咁呢個咧喺 80%嘅情況咧，我哋都可以咁樣轉嘅。不過有時有 exception 㗎，一陣間見到你就會知㗎啦。咁我 slogan 係你我轉他，你的我的轉他的。譬如 I like it, she said that she like it, right？ 好啦，咁跟住咧第3樣嘢，咁就改埋動詞啦。動詞我哋都有個 slogan 嘅喎，就係現在變過去，過去變過去完成。譬如點咧 ？I like it 呢個現在式啦，就會變成過去式。She liked it。OK， 咁一陣間仲會有其他例子嘅，咁你可以睇多少少。Change the time verbs 嗱，呢一個咧上一集冇講㗎，一陣間咧又有個表係要背嘅喎。Examples Number 1 Mary and Susan said this is our book. So we change it to That was their book. 好啦，呢個冇咩特別啦，我相信最特別就係個動詞啦。is 變咗做 was. Number 2 I want to see your parents today. Miss Lai told Michael. Miss Lai told Michael that she wanted to see his parents that day. 你見到啦，你我轉他，我變咗做他。你的我的變他的 your 變咗做 his parents。好啦，咁另外咧，你見到個動詞 want change to wanted， 現在變咗做過去。好啦 ，and then today 變 that day， 咁呢個要背嘅，等間俾個表你。Okay, let's move on to number 3. Miss Lai is teaching us now. Yumi said. Yumi said that Miss Lai was teaching them then. 好啦，你我轉他，你的我的轉他的。咁你見到我們就變成他們 us to them。現在變過去 is teaching change to was teaching。現在進行就變成過去進行式。現在進行式係 is-am-are 加 ing， 過去進行式就係 was、were 加 ing。Miss Lai was teaching them then。Now 變咗做 then。Number 4 You saw the doctor yesterday. Mum said to Dad. Mum told Dad that he has seen the doctor the day before。你我轉他。You 變咗做 he 係咪 ？Saw the doctor yesterday. Saw 係過去式，變咗做 had seen。Yesterday 咧就變咗做 the day before。咁你其實咧睇意思話我好肚餓啊，佢話佢好肚餓，你睇意思咁樣轉都得㗎。不過咧有個 slogan 咧就可能係會快捷啲咁解。好啦，咁我哋咧跟住就係講呢份筆記嘅呢一部分，第2部分啦。好，呢份筆記咧，我哋而家咧講 change the pronoun， 其實就係正頭先嘅 slogan， 你我轉他，你的我的轉他的。咁但係我哋轉得嚟咧都有規矩㗎。譬如佢係 subject pronoun 嘅，你我轉他，咁譬如 I 咧就會轉翻做 he she it， 就唔會轉咗做 him 㗎喎。唔會咁樣發生㗎 ，OK？ 而譬如係呢行 us 就會變成 them 我們變他們，得唔得？咁就唔會變咗做 they 㗎。好啦 ，possessive adjective 就係你的、我的轉他的啦譬如 my 就變成 his、her 或者 is， 咁究竟轉邊個咧？其實都係要睇翻意思嘅。好啦 ，our、your 就轉做 their 啦 ，OK？咁呢個就係你們、我們就變他們，咁但係都係要睇翻意思。好啦，去到下邊 verbs， 我哋頭先講過啦，嗰個 tense change 咧就係現在變過去，過去變過去完成。present simple tense 就變成 past simple。Example go change to went。Present continuous for example is going change to past continuous。現在進行式變成過去進行式 is going change to was going。 Present perfect change to past perfect。 現在完成式變成過去完成式 For example has done you change it to had done. Simple past or past simple change to past perfect. 過去式都係變成過去完成 ，did 就變成 had 再加 done。乜嘢係過去完成呢？你哋之後會學翻嘅，就係 had 再加 past participle。OK， 咁而家你得個知字先啦。Simple future will do change to would 加 infinitive。For example, would do。好啦，咁你見到呢度有個 modal verb 㗎嚇 ，can 啊、will 啊呢啲就係may啊呢啲就係 modal verb， 咁啊點轉呢？係要死記㗎。Okay, so can change to could, may change to might, will change to would. OK， 呢個表咧喺上一集講過，再溫翻。Here change to there, this change to that, these change to those。好啦，嗱，跟住咧成日都話咧咩個 time word 要背就係咁樣背啦。而家就變成嗰陣時，譬如你諗下啊，我而家好肚餓啊，咧 Miss Lai 琴日啊，佢話佢嗰陣時好肚餓喎，現在就變嗰陣時，係咪啊 ？Now change to then, today change to that day， 今日就變嗰日嗱，所以我成日話意思好重要嚇，得唔得嚇？咁 tonight change to that night， 今晚變成嗰晚。This afternoon change to that afternoon， 今個晏晝變成嗰個晏晝。Yesterday change to the day before or the previous day。譬如我話我琴日好肚痛啊！Miss 拉咧，佢嗰日講話佢咧嗰日之前嗰日好肚痛啊。So yesterday change to the day before or the previous day。呢兩個字咧都係解話在前一日。好啦，咁 last change to the do before or the previous do， 咁即係點咧？譬如話I did not go to school last Friday。我上個禮拜五冇返學啊。Miss 拉話佢再前嗰個禮拜五咧係冇返學啊。The Friday before, the previous Friday. Okay, example. Last week, you change to the previous week or the week before. Okay, ago, you change to before. Example, 2 days ago, change to 2 days before. Tomorrow, change to the following day. 聽日，Miss 拉佢嗰日講話，佢跟住嗰日啊，要去點點點啊。OK， tomorrow change to the following day. Next do change to the following do. Example, next month, the following month. So example, my pen is here, said Jason. Jason said that his pen was here. You change to there. I saw Miss Lai yesterday, said Tim. Tim said that he has seen Miss Lai yesterday, change to the day before. 好，咁我哋呢個表咧係要背咗佢噶嗱，重複呢個表咧，呢個 time words 嗰個表咧係要背咗佢噶。Okay, time for some practice. Rewrite the following sentences with reported speech to talk about what they said last month。嗱，佢上個月講噶啦喎，個狀態可能都改咗啦，係咪？咁所以咧 ，there should be tense change. Nicole said, "I am thirsty now." So 間低代名詞，間低 verb， 間低時間。OK， 嗱，記住做嘅時候間低咗呢啲嘢先，代名詞 ，OK， 動詞同埋時間。Nicole said that I, that is she, am change to was， 現在變過去啊嘛。Thirsty now 揾翻個表啦 ，now 係咩啊 ？Then next number 2 Jimmy said to Calvin, "You have to finish it by tomorrow." 咁呢上個月講啊嘛，係咪先？上個月嘅有一日，佢話聽日之前，咁即係話佢之後嗰日嘅之前啦嚇，係咪？So again underline the pronoun you, underline the verb, okay, and also underline the time. So we change it to Jimmy said to Calvin that you change to he, have to change to had to， 現在變過去。Finish it by tomorrow， 查返個表 the following day。呢個值得一提嘅呢，就係呢個 to finish 啦，係 to infinitive 嚟㗎，呢個先係 main verb 啊 had 得唔得？咁就千祈唔好 to 咧嗰個 finish 咧後邊加埋呢啲啊，唔會㗎，只係轉 main verb。Number 3, Moses said to Michael, Oscar will win the prize。好，前面嗰啲就照寫啦。Moses said to Michael that。OK， 好啦，又係要間低 pronoun verb 同埋個時間啦。will win。OK， Oscar will win 轉做 would win the prize。嗱，咁同學仔又話啦，Oscar 點樣轉啊 ？Oscar 唔使轉啦，由頭到尾係話要轉 pronoun 動詞同埋時間啫嘛。呢個都唔係 pronoun， 呢個 noun 嚟噶嘛。好啦，呢題呢係最深噶啦，咁就單靠口號係唔得噶。OK， 你係要諗意思噶。Miss Lai said to me, "You went there last Friday." 值得留意嘅係，今次係 said to me。係啦，咁你點樣同人講翻 Miss Lai 同你講咩呢？係嘛 ？You went there last Friday。Miss Lai 話同我講啊，話我嗰日去咗㗎，係咪要咁樣轉啊？好啦，咁啊，前面腳抄翻先。Miss Lai said to me that you 呢個 you 係邊個嚟㗎啦？唔可以呢個就唔可以再用 slogan 簡單處理啦。你我轉他唔得㗎啦。呢個 you 咧其實佢係同緊我講㗎嘛嚇。I went changed to had gone there last Friday 變成 the Friday before。嗱，留意啦，呢題呢其實就逢係牽涉 said to me 啊，或者 said to you 啊嗰啲呢，都唔可以單用 slogan， 係真係要用翻意思去解㗎。Okay, time to do some practice. Bye bye.